Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Unibase token on Binance Alpha. So Unibase or UB just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. It's very easy. So first you can open your Binance apps and then make sure you have signed in. After that you can go to your search box in the top, and then you can search UB for Unibase and click this one. You will find UB on Alpha, and then this is the charts of Unibase. So from the charts perspective, I think it's really good because it's not quickly down and it still get higher and higher. Probably can get twice from this price. So I think maybe like 0.05 dollars, and if you want to see details, you can click info here in the top, and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. And also you can check their social media and their website. And if you want to buy it, you can just click chart here in the bottom here, and then you can choose bridge, which is you can swap your token Ethereum or other token to UB, or you can just use swap. You can swap your token from BNB to UB or other token, and you can choose pro for limit orders. You can put the price here and you can place the order. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.